Everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Happy fall, y'all! We are doing a fall cooking, and we're doing side dishes. You know, everybody loves the side dishes for Thanksgiving. So these are some ideas that would be perfect for a side dish for Thanksgiving or a family get-together for fall. Hope you enjoy the recipe. And this is one that's easy any time of the year. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, this is 2 pounds of potatoes. I'm using a mandolin slicer. I'm just using the old-fashioned kind. I know there's fancier ones, but this is how I'm used to doing it. And I don't cut myself with it, so anything that you don't cut yourself is a plus. I had a new one and I cut myself really bad, so I went back to the old one. Sometimes it's do what you know. 2 pounds of sliced potatoes, and then 1 small onion, or in my case I'm using a few green onions because that's what I have right now. 1 can of mushroom soup, mushroom soup. And this is how I do it. It calls for 2 cups of milk. But I just pour my milk and fill the soup can. So I clean out the soup can better and get more of the mushroom soup out. And then that is how I measure my milk. Then I just stir it in. This recipe is good for potlucks. It's good for the holidays. It's good for Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, family get-togethers, or just a nice Sunday dinner. Okay. Now that you're this far, you can, if you have leftover ham, you can put some leftover ham, smoked sausage, or you can even top this recipe with pork chops and make it a dinner, a full main dish. Or you can just do it as a side. Makes a great side dish for ham. Okay, this is just cheddar cheese. Sprinkle this on the top. And that is the dish. Okay, you bake our scalloped potatoes for $3.75 for 45 to 50 minutes. Or until the potatoes, you can stick a fork in them and they're soft.